A feature that is really unique to the Versamax UT is Floe's quick-attach track system around the perimeter of the trailer. This track gives you even more options to place tie-down plates for securing your cargo. It's also where you attach the fenders, a spare tire, and the side kit. Not only does it allow you to attach a side kit quickly, but it keeps it rigid and quiet. You can see on this other brand how the side kit is quite loose, giving a loud rattle sound as you tow, and potentially chafing your expensive cargo. Options for the side kit include 11-inch or 24-inch solid sides, or if you're hauling wheeled equipment like ATVs, you can get the side load ramp kit on the 12.5 and larger trailers. With this option, part of the side kit doubles as a side loading ramp, so you have both side loading and rear loading capability. And just like the solid sides, the side ramp secures tightly onto the trailer, eliminating the rattling and banging common on the other trailers.